everybody. Welcome to my puzzle solve live deal. I think I should start calling this thing my live solves or whatever. I should call it Time Puzzle. Just so I can steal those mad views from Puzzle Time and people get confused and be like, Time Puzzle. Tony and Tyler are doing another Puzzle Time? We'll do that, yeah. So yeah, welcome to Time Puzzle. I'm your host, Aaron, doing puzzles in an amount of time. Today we're going to be looking at Angelus. Got this big one white block with two darker wood pieces out of it. Kind of reminds me of a cube disassembly. Or cube disassemble? Cube dissection. Yeah, that's the brand. They make some cool stuff. The only problem I have with them is they're not big enough. I feel like they should be chunkier. They're always kind of small and dinky. Anyway. See, the temptation now, because there's a space there, is you could twist it. Which probably breaks this puzzle. Well, not physically breaks it, like, oh, I'm gonna twist it hard, but I'm assuming that makes this a lot easier. I also don't know if there's if twisting's off limits. I've always kind of been of the mind that if you can freely move a piece and it's not putting any stress, that it's fair game. But I might be wrong. I'm probably wrong. I wonder if just having that one at the bottom is detrimental, like they have to kind of come down as a pair. I'm almost starting to think that might be the case. Then again, this one isn't going to go anywhere if it's overlapping this piece. I might actually have to do a twist move. Ooh, that's smart. That is cool. Okay, so I'm actually separated now. These two pieces aren't playing ball anymore. Oh, there we go. Well, shit. So we can kind of see inside of there now. It's got quite an internal maze. This is quite a neat one, actually. I like this a lot. Gotta keep hydrated. What time is it? I still got tons of time. Oodles of time. If not boodles. Oodles of boodles. Because I could swap between that and that. Was that what it was? Or was it kind of swap between that and that? I don't know. Keep just shoving them in and see what happens. You never know. I might solve it one day. Oh, my tiny brain can't get this done. Oh, brain's so tiny. Okay. If I put it in like this, it would also fit fine. And this one, I remember it being on this one on this side. That's the big thing that's really pushing me to put that there. Maybe I should just ignore everything I've been thinking. Well, it's definitely the furthest I've ever gotten this. I did the thing, I guess. Well, 45 minutes, that's not bad. Geez. I like that. I could probably take this apart and have to spend another 45 minutes putting it back together. That's a good puzzle. I like that a lot. That is neat. Okay, well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join the community on Facebook or Instagram. I think it's Instagram. I hope it's Instagram. Might be Twitter. We might have both. I don't know. Try them all out. All the social medias. And if you enjoyed this puzzle, we have plenty more like it. Yeah. You can get them at puzzlemaster.ca. Many, many puzzles. They can all be yours. Only for a small monetary value. Goodbye.